What's going on, everybody? Welcome back, man. So I jumped into finding out what was leaking on the 03 Ram 1500, and we're gonna jump into that here in just a second. I did also check my 09. The leak has stopped. So if the leak stopped, I'm not gonna mess with it. You never fix something that ain't broken. So jumping right into this, man, the heater cord did go out in my 03. So instead of jumping down there and ripping my dash out and everything, I got to get some pieces together, some blend doors, some other stuff. So what I'm going to do in this video is we're just going to bypass it. I'm going to show y'all how to bypass it properly, and then boom, it'll be back on the road and we can get it going. So let's jump right into this and get this party started. So to jump right into this, man, this is how I could tell my heater core went out. You see the dirty lines, the antifreeze running down my carpet here on the passenger side. That was the first thing. The second thing I noticed was that it was just dumping all the water out underneath this passenger or behind this passenger side front tire, man. And then I got up here and I looked in my reservoir tank, and guess what? It's empty. So I wanted to start that video out with that. Now we're gonna jump into getting everything out of here, get the bypass installed. So getting into the swapping it out with the heater core bypass kit. Now one thing you have to know is that you will lose the heater in your truck or car, because this will work on anything. Now another thing is you buy this kit, man, because it has this pre-bend in it. And if you bend one of these heater hoses over, you're probably just gonna cut off the flow. And this will be pre-bent and is rated to hold the pressure and the heat. Another thing is that they give you ends. So if you have to swap it out with a 5/8 or a 1/2 inch, well, both of my heater hoses are 1/2 inch. So I just swapped the one out they had in there that was 5/8 and we're good to go. So this is simple, man. You just do it like this. I mean, it doesn't get any easier than this. You're just literally running the water past your heater core. That's one reason why you lose the heater. And they're long enough. I like that because they're long enough. Right? You just shove them in there like so, man. It's as simple as that. We're gonna take the little clamps, we're gonna put them right back where they came from. Same position and everything. You always wanna do that. Oh, we're getting a little crazy here. Just hang on. Ooh. It works better if you have the proper tool. But you know, the Auto Guy DIY, we love our pliers around here. Get that other one. Look, snap it on there. Make sure it bottoms out, and that's it, guys. That's it. This here, I'm gonna pull these little ends out, and these hoses can just sit right here. I'll clip this thing back on here like that. Ooh, just like that. So it's as simple as that. Now there's a couple things I wanna note. One, like I stated, take your hardware out, your clip. Mine are metal, so you don't want them sitting there rusting. Two, always make sure to install this, okay? I forgot to mention this. Make sure you go to the 2 heater hoses that go to your water pump. Do not put them in the ones that go to your firewall, because these are the 2 right here that feed the heater core. These 2 right here come off the water pump, so it'll come straight in. It'll go right back around and right back into the water pump. That's the purpose of it. So I'm gonna top this thing off with my trusty Prestone 100% concentrate antifreeze. We'll start it up, let it warm up, we'll check for leaks. All right, man, so the truck's warming up. I'm gonna make sure it's running right now. I'll show y'all there's no leaks. Get y'all over here, man, I'll show you it's not leaking. Right, it's just coming straight out of the water pump there. You see the 2 hoses, follow them up, and then right back around. So I'm gonna let this thermostat open up, make sure everything's good. I'll shoot one last clip once it does. I'll show y'all the mileage of the truck, but I wanted to show you the part number, man. So the part number is 626001, heater core bypass kit. It's a Dorman. I love my Dormans, man. So that's what you're looking for, man. And it'll work on, I mean, any car. If your heater core goes out, it'll work on anything. Here it is, man, last clip. Mileage, 411, 367. So it hasn't warmed up all the way, but it is getting up there. So we're gonna go out here, we're gonna check this thing real quick. And then, I mean, that'll be that. We'll put our air breather back in, and that's that. So look, we got no leaks, no drips on the frame rail. That water, ooh, that's kind of warm. So with that being warm, that lets me know that water's running through there. And if it's gonna leak, it would leak. So that fixes that. The only thing you really gotta take out is your breather. And then that'll be that, man. So with all that, keep living the dream, doing your thing, like and subscribe. Always drop your boy a comment. And this is how you install a heater core bypass kit.